Sam an apology, and I can't do it because she's not in the house, and I don't want to call her, so I send her flowers, and then I send her sister flowers because it's her birthday. Today we'll do red, tomorrow pink, and then Saturday white.
Would you like to add a balloon, a teddy bear, or a chocolate ribbon?
All three.
Let's roll out, though. Just go. Everyone with a haircut, I don't know if you want to come.
Haircuts?
Yeah, buddy. We gotta leave, haircuts. The keys are right there.
The boys have to physically take Ronnie and move him out of the house, so the girls can do their thing.
As bad as it looks, where do I store it? We decided to move Sam's stuff down to our room because if she comes back, Sammy needs to be with us. Here, throw this. Boy, somebody stinks. Right? Like right here. No one over here. Oh no. No. It was dirty drawers, wasn't it? Just let it go.